Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. For the second layout pack of this week, Kenny and his team have created a stunning political candidate layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. So let's take a look at the political candidate layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. I really like these section dividers that have been applied to columns instead, and you can feel the professional vibe. There's a very neutral color palette present, and all of the information fits really nicely. So you have a lot of written content, but it doesn't overpower the design, which I think is important. And you can use these layouts to create your own website using Divi's visual builder, and all of the images that are included are free for you to use. And let's take a look at this layout on different screen sizes as well. So this is the desktop version, and I'll just click on the icon located at the bottom of my page to switch over to tablet mode and phone mode. So let's just take a look at the tablet version. So this is what you can expect from it. So this looks equally as good on smaller screen sizes as it does on desktop. So if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can simply go to elegantthemes.com/layouts, and over here you will see all of the layout packs that you can use. So each one of these is free, and you can combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website. But if you scroll down, you'll come across the newest layout pack, which is the political candidate layout pack. And over here, you will see all of the layouts that are included. And you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button, and this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover all of the layouts on a real website, see what it looks like before actually using it on your own website. And once you decide to use one of the pages, say for instance the landing page, you can simply go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to pages, add new, give your page a title, publish your page, enable the Divi Builder, and switch over to Visual Builder right away. And over here you have three options, so you can build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. And we're going to use one of the political candidate layouts, and for that I'm going to click on the purple button which says Browse Layouts. And again, you will see all of the layout packs. So scroll down until you come across the political candidate layout pack. You will see all of the layouts that are included. And if you want to upload a layout to your page, you simply have to click on it and then click on the green button which says Use this layout. And this will take little to no time for it to upload to your page and change the entire content accordingly. So now you can go ahead and start making some changes. Of course, you can change all of the content that's being provided to make it match with the message that you want to send out. And you can also modify the design settings. So for instance, if you want to modify this section divider over here, you can open this section and you can enable the modified styles filter over here by clicking on filter and going to modified styles. And over here you will see all of the options that have been applied to that specific element. So in this case, the section that we've opened. And over here, if I go to the bottom divider, for instance, I can play around with the different section dividers to create the kind of style that I would like my website to have. So you can do a lot of things using Divi's built-in options, and you can also use some other efficiency features such as the find and replace feature. So let me just demonstrate that really quick. I'll open this module over here, go to the design tab, open the heading text settings, and over here I want to change the font that's being used for my headings throughout the entire page. And I'll just right click over here without changing anything and click on find and replace. And over here you will see the font that's currently being used, and you can replace it with any font you want over here. So I'll just choose Georgia, and I want to replace this on my entire page, but you have other options as well. And go ahead and experiment with this feature. It's really nice, and it really helps you make a lot of changes really fast. So then I'll just click on the blue button. And as you can see, the font has been changed throughout the entire page. So go ahead and experiment with these built-in options and with the political candidate layout pack. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.